Hi, welcome back to Maths Magic Academy. We are going to discuss a number system. So in this number system, we will see some controversies. What are those controversies? So digits versus numbers, and Indian system versus international system, place value versus face value, natural numbers versus whole numbers, even numbers versus odd numbers, prime numbers versus composite numbers. The basic thing, what are digits? In a number system, whatever the digits we are using, those are all called symbols. So those are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many is there total? 10 is there. These 10 are called digits. And coming to that numbers, including these digits, along with that, remaining all the numbers and these digits are called numbers. That means everything is a number. So positive, 0 or negative, whatever it may be. So all the things are considered as numbers. Hi friends, now see a simple table which describes Indian system and international system. So Indian system. So in this Indian system, what are the periods? Units, thousands, lakhs and crores. Generally we are using units, thousands, lakhs and crores. Likewise, in international system, there will be units, thousands and millions. I had taken same number 432523716. Now we will see the values. What is that? So it is ones place, that is 6, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. CR is nothing but crore. So crores, here 10 crores. Now here when it comes to the international system, ones, tens, hundreds. These are as usual units place. Here also these are units only. Same like that in Indian system and international system. Now when it comes to the thousands, here thousands, only 1,000, 10,000, but here thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Likewise, here millions, million, 10 million, 100 million. So these are the values in international system. Very simple. You can see by observing this number how we are going to write in Indian system and international system. Here in Indian system, first we will keep the commas as per units. Units is how many? So ones, tens, hundreds. So after that we have to take comma. And next thousands, 1,000, 10,000, 1,000, 10,000. There will be one comma, separation. Next lakhs, 10 lakhs. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. After that comma. Crores, 10 crores. How to read this? 43 crores, 25 lakhs, 23,716. Just separating commas here. 43 crores, 25 lakhs, 23,716. When it comes to the international system, how to keep commas? Every 3 numbers after. So units. And next thousands. Next millions. So here we can write 432,523,716. So like that we can write Indian system and international system. Next, natural numbers. Children, if you ask you to count how many number of children is there in the classroom, what you are going to do? You will start counting by 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards, right? So this is nothing but countable numbers. The numbers generally what we are using, those are called countable numbers or natural numbers. So these are beginning from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So what is the smallest natural number? Smallest natural number is 1. And what is the largest natural number? It is undefined. You should not say 4 here and so on. That means it cannot be defined. So the largest number, the largest natural number is undefined. Now we will go for whole numbers. Whole numbers are simply, we can say it is natural numbers along with 0. Natural numbers along with 0. That means 0 and natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So now can you say what is the smallest whole number? Smallest whole number which is beginning from 0. So 0 is the smallest whole number. Now what is the largest whole number? It is also undefined. We cannot say largest whole number. Okay, it is not defined, it is infinite. Like that we can say natural numbers and whole numbers. Afterwards, whole numbers, there will be integers, rational numbers and real numbers. Up to this I had done a separate class that I am going to give in the description. If you want, you can click on that. Next we will go for what is an even number, what is an odd number. Even, odd. See here, there are so many numbers in a natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So many is there, infinite numbers is there. In these numbers, the numbers which are divisible by 2, the numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. Those are simply 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. See here, it is nothing but 2 table, you know, 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 3s, 2 4s, 2 5s and so on. Okay, continuously it will be there. So these all are called even numbers. And rest of the natural numbers, what is there? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. These all are called odd numbers. Simply we can say the numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers, which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. Now we will see what is a place value and face value. So place value, just now we discussed in Indian system and international system, there units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, these all are place values only. So here, what is the place value of 9? What is the place value of 9? And what is the face value of 9? We will see. Place value means the number which is coming to this place, it is having some value. So here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So the place value is 9,000. 9 after how many numbers is there? That many zeros. That is nothing but place value. And face value. Face value is nothing but just write the digit only. First we discuss digits, no? So whatever the digit is nothing but face value. So place value is 9,000, face value is 9. Now what is the place value of 7? It is, place value of 7 is 70. And what is the face value? 7. So like that, if you take 4. So what is the place value? 40,000. Say 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers is there, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros is there. Like that, face value only 4. Like that we can write place values and face values. Next we will go for prime numbers and composite numbers. So what are prime numbers? The numbers which are having the factors only 1 and itself. 1 and itself. That means the number is divisible by only 1 and itself. Then those are called prime numbers. When it comes to the composite numbers, the numbers which are having the factors more than 2. That means 1 and itself, and other than 1 and itself, there will be one more factor or so many factors. Then those are called composite numbers. Let us see the example. 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. See here, for number 2, how many factors are there? 1 and 2. 1, 2. How many factors? Only 2 factors. And how many factors of 3? 1, 3. Same as only 2 factors. When it comes to 4, 1 is there, 2 is there, and 4 is there. So it will be possible in 1 table, 2 table, and 4 table. So how many factors? 3 factors. Now when it comes to 8, how many? 1, 2, 4 and 8. How many factors? 4 factors are there. Like that for 9 also. So 1, 3, 9. So how many factors? 3 factors are there. If a number having only the factors are 1 and itself, then those are called prime. And if more than 2 factors is there, then that is nothing but a composite number. So this is what? Prime number. This is also prime number, and this is composite number. This is also composite. This is also composite. Why? Because these 3 are having more than 2 factors. Now we will see 1. So how many factors is there for 1? It is having only 1 factor. What we said? A prime number which consists only 2 factors. It should not less than 2 or more than 2. Only 2 factors. Then that is nothing but a prime number. Those 2 factors are also 1 and itself. When it comes to the composite number, it is having more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. 1 and itself, and other than 1 and itself, there will be so many factors. Then we can say those numbers are composite numbers. But when it comes to 1, there will be only 1. It is only 1 factor. That's why it is not a prime and it is not a composite. That's why we will say it is neither prime nor composite. Just simply we can say the 1 is neither prime nor composite. Now what is the smallest prime number? 1 is not a prime. Okay, so that we can go for 2. The smallest prime number is 2. And is there any other than 2? Is there any even number is a prime number? No. So 2 is only the smallest prime and it is only the even prime number. And what is the smallest composite number? 4. 2, 3, 4 is there. So 4 is the beginning composite number. So smallest composite is what? 4. The composite numbers are beginning by 4, and whereas the prime numbers are beginning by 2. The 2 is only the even prime number.